If you've been watching my channel for a while now, you definitely know that I'm not anti-planning. I plan weekly, I plan monthly, I color code my planner, I plan daily. Planning is one of the main ways I stay grounded, but today I want to talk about something important because planning is only helpful when it's supporting your life, not adding pressure to it. And sometimes even good planning habits can quietly turn into overwhelm. When I say overplanning, I don't mean using a planner, I don't mean color coding, and I don't mean being organized. Overplanning is when planning stops being about clarity and starts being about control. It's when you decide everything in advance, you expect your week to go exactly as written, or your planner starts to feel like a list of expectations instead of a support tool. That's when overwhelm creeps in, even if the system itself is a good one. Here's why overplanning feels so heavy. First, it ignores how dynamic real life actually is. Energy changes, kids' schedules change, work shifts. When the plan doesn't adapt, you end up feeling like the problem. Second, unfinished tasks start to feel personal. Instead of information, they feel like failure. And third, planning becomes reactive. You're constantly trying to catch up instead of feeling steady. If you've seen my weekly resets, you know I plan in layers. I start with a brain dump, then I look at my calendar, then I plan my week, and I keep my daily pages simple. That structure isn't there to control my time, it's there to help me see it. My color coding works the same way. Each color represents an area of my life. Work, family, personal, content. It helps me see where my time is actually going, not just where I think it's going. This is the distinction I want to make very clear. Structure gives you awareness. Pressure gives you anxiety. Structure says, here's what's important this week. Pressure says, you have to do all this exactly as planned. My planner gives me clarity. It's not a rule book. And when planning starts to feel heavy, that's usually a sign something needs adjusting, not that planning is failing. For me, overplanning looks like overloading my daily pages, planning too far ahead without any flexibility, treating every task like it has the same urgency, or expecting my energy to stay the same all week. That's when I know I need to pull back, not throw my system out. This is how I keep planning supportive. I plan anchors, which are appointments, deadlines, non-negotiables. I choose weekly priorities instead of daily pressure. I leave white space intentionally. And I let my planner be a place where plans can move, not a place where I just sit and judge myself. The goal isn't to follow the plan perfectly. The goal is to feel steady. If planning has ever made you feel overwhelmed, it doesn't mean you're bad at planning. It usually means you're expecting the plan to carry more than it should. Your planner is there to help you decide, not prove your entire life's worth. If this resonated with you, take this into your next planning session. Use structure for clarity, use flexibility for peace, and let your planner support your real life, not an ideal one. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here, and tell me in the comments, have you ever felt like planning itself was stressing you out? I'll see you guys in the next one real soon. Bye.